Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at number bases and how to convert between them using a calculator. We will first focus on a few bases that are available on the calculator. These are base 10, written as DEC, base 16, written as HEX, base 2, which is the binary base, and base 8, written as OCT. When working with bases, we first need to change the mode of the calculator to a base. To do this, select Mode and then choose the base option. By default, the calculator is in base 10, which is the decimal system, as shown on the screen. We can use these buttons here to switch between different bases. For example, it is currently in decimal base, but we can press here to change it to binary, or to octal. Now, let's see how we can perform conversions using these bases. First, let's change from base 2 to base 10. To do this, make sure the calculator is set to the base you want to convert from. So, we put it in binary base and type in our number. Suppose we want to convert 10110 from base 2 to base 10. We enter 10110 and press equals. That gives us the number in base 2. To convert it, we simply press the button that represents base 10. This shows that 10110 in base 2 is equal to 22 in base 10. Simple. Next, let's convert from base 10 to base 2. Suppose we have 22 and we want to change it to binary. First, make sure the calculator is in decimal mode, base 10. Then type 22 and press equals. After that, switch to base 2 by pressing the binary button. The calculator will display 10110. Now let's move on to base 8. Suppose we have the number 5624 in base 8, and we want to convert it. First, set the calculator to base 8 and type in 5624, then press equals. Now, to convert it to base 10, press the decimal button. The result shows that 5624 in base 8 is equal to 2964 in base 10. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so that others can also benefit. Thank you.